Anthony Jones with me. Anthony, what's going on, brother? We got, trailer malfunction right off the bat. Let's go see, show us what we got, Anthony, out here.
Whew, man, it is hot out there. And I feel sorry for any company that's actually working in the Texas heat. But let's talk about this job, okay? This job's actually in Irving, Texas. Let me tell you how I get this job, okay? So I got a phone call about a month ago from the guy, and apparently he negotiates contracts with cleaning companies. I'm not sure, but he has hired me to go by these apartment complexes, seriously, and pick up trash. And I told him, I said, listen, dude, I'm not gonna do this. I have to get paid the same day if you want me to do this. And he's like, yeah, sure, I'll work with you, brother. I'll work with you. I tell him that he's either got to Venmo me or Cash App me or Zelle me the money when the job is done. And he says, I agree with it. Let me sign up for Venmo. So this guy, I think he's like in Illinois or something like that. He says, no problem. I got contracts with a lot of apartment complexes around the Texas area. I'm like, okay, everybody talks. Let's see if this works. Seriously, I've worked about 8 times for this guy now, and he pays me that same day, and I set the price. Which is weird is he's always paying me, and he never argues the price. So this job right here is a $250 job that I'm doing, but I actually billed him $300. So I made a mistake on the video saying $250. It's actually a $300 job that I'm actually going to share this job with Tony. So I'll make $150, and he makes $550 since we're using his truck and his trailer to do this job. But believe it or not, the guy who hired me for this job told me that he actually hired 3 other junk removal companies before he got to me, but they canceled on him. They wouldn't even show up. Sometimes they'd say, yeah, we'll be there next day, and then never show up and never do the job. And I'm thinking, wait a minute, this guy's paying me. Who would miss an opportunity to do a junk removal job like this one?
Yep. No, the reason I'm not talking much is because it's 1,000 degrees outside. The hells of furnace are coming. Anthony, hold it for me. Let me video do the intro. All right, here's the problemo. It's actually an apartment complex here in Irving, Texas. They call us out to pick up all the stuff that people don't want. Okay, and this is it, right here. This is all here. We're here to pick it up, but I don't know. What are we gonna charge for this, Anthony? Like 300? 250?
250.
Like 250 for this. We're gonna charge 250 for this. But Anthony, are you okay? Because you look like you're tired.
I'm good, man. It's just hot out here, you know. Too early. 100 degrees already. What's wrong with you?
I'm cool. It's not hot at all. You know what I mean? Anthony?
I feel bees.
Are you okay? Anthony?
It's hot here. Like, I'm ready to go.
And then we're only really standing here. We're not doing anything.
Summertime. It's hot. What's wrong with you, brother?
I'm fine. What are you talking about?
you look the same, man. It's hot out here, man. Let's go, man.
I'm good at it. No, we about to work, you know what I mean? Just standing here, yeah, I'm good, bro. Anthony, you okay?
Damn, it takes so long, man. You ain't done yet? Woo.
Yo, Anthony, you're sweating through your hat, brother.
Yeah, fuck this, man.
Yeah.
I'm gonna sit in the car when you get done.
Whoa, what are you talking about? What are you about to talk about, bro? You gotta help me.
Dehydration. It's hot out here.
Yeah, I know.
You're clean enough for this shit. You alright?
Yeah, bro, I'm good, bro.
You
Everything's good. I'm good, bro. No, I'm good. The heat ain't getting to me, bro. The heat ain't getting to me. I'm good, bro. I'm good. All right, we're gonna.
Yeah, come on, cause.
Andy, I'm telling you how much I love you, man. I love you, man. Yeah, I love you, man. Hey, bro. Is that a unicorn? Right there, that's a unicorn, bro.
A few moments later.
For the team, man. You got to for the team, brother. I know it. Come on. You be alright. Come on, Taco.
Oh, I'm good. I'm fine, bro.
Yeah, you gonna be fine.
I love you, man.
That son gonna bake the shit out your ass.
A few moments later.
Let's go. I got it. Oh, hey. This thing got really heavy. I got it. Hey. Anthony, what the? Anthony.
Up, man. I'm cramping, man.
You cramping?
Yeah.
Bro, Bro, are we almost done loading? Oh, no, Anthony. Oh, hold up. Anthony, we just got here. we haven't loaded one thing on the trailer. All right, let's get this done. He's got the cramps.
It is absolutely hot outside. I want to tell you, man, that this apartment complex, I noticed this. Now, I've worked here twice. I've got 2 phone calls from this place before, okay? And both times that I've been at this place, the heat is massively awful. It is extremely exhausting, terrible, nightmare, Freddy Krueger kind of stuff. It is so hot. So put it this way. If I'm in Dallas, and Irving's only like 20 minutes away, but if I'm in Dallas, the heat is about 100. But I'm in this city, and this apartment complex, it feels like I'm in the Sahara Desert at 105 or 100. It's like a dry, dead, human killing heat. This area is hot. And I want to explain that it is so hard to work in this kind of heat. But we managed to do it, and we managed to pull it off.
We done. Too pity, we done. See if there's anything else. All right, guys. Me and Anthony Jones.
It's okay to have a little fun at some of these jobs. We want to take it serious, but also be comfortable with each other. And me and Tony, we work really good together. So the first job was done at $300. Now, this job, don't forget, is only me and Tony's first job together. I had already completed 2 jobs before I got to this job. Now, this job was done about, I guess, 1 o'clock. And then we go from this job to the second job, which is, well, you'll see here, it's a hot tub removal in the dead heat again. But this is in Savannah, Texas.
We had to stop and get tacos. All right, we got our sledgehammer. Look how big that is. We said we remove hot tubs. We just didn't say we're professionals at removing hot tubs.
No,
You know
I
what
saw
I mean?
your video. You
Great.
said you were.
Oh, I did? Well, that's a standing one, isn't it? That's tall. Why is it so tall? Is it deep? That's how deep it is? There's no pathway here. That's the air conditioning unit.
Yeah, yeah, that's right. That we can.
But then this, how about this? No, I'm not going that way.
What we do here
Take the
is
long
go
way.
back,
It's hill,
back,
man.
back,
Hill
back,
country.
back, back.
Or we just cut it. Check out the sides off of it. Let's see what it looks like. Savannah, Texas, home of the Savannah Squirrels. I don't know. Do they even have a football team out here? I have no idea.
What kind of hot tub is this? I swear it is like 5 foot deep. It's the first time I've ever done a hot tub this big, okay? And it is tall, it is deep, it's tall and it's deep. But I did notice one thing is that it had a hollow shell, and the hollow shell is really easy to cut because honestly it just has the fiberglass on it and there's no like styrofoam or anything around it. So it's gonna make an easier cut and an easier way to get it out. Now, what's going to kill us is of course the heat and the long walk. And as you see in this video, what hard time we have.
So we are removing a hot tub. This is an extraordinary hot tub. This is a pool, damn it. We're removing a pool today. That's what we're doing. Let me show you the inside of this. Usually they have the 2 steps, right? It's 1, 2. But this one has 2 more. Cause look, it's deep. Oh snap, hit my head on this thing. Look at that. All right, we're gonna do a time lapse, knock it out. Enjoy it. Here we go. Ladies and gentlemen of the jury, we're here. First step, let me show you the first complete step that I've done to the hot tub so far. As you can tell, the tub has been cut in 3 sections. There it is, 1 cut this way, 1 cut this way, and Anthony has done absolutely nothing. He's removed 1 side panel of the hot tub. So that's actually the second step. So the first step is always to cut the hot tub. And then the second step is for him to take the skirt off, okay? And we're not talking off a woman, we're talking off the hot tub, all right? And that's what we've done. There it is right there, guys. We are removing the skirt as we are speaking at this moment right now. Anthony's doing his best impersonation of him actually working on that end. Oh my gosh, let's see that sledgehammer you got. That huge sledgehammer. Look at that sledgehammer Anthony brought. Oh my God, that's huge.
You tried to cut a hot tub in this Texas heat. It was absolutely horrible. But the carrying of the hot tub all the way to the truck was even worse. We had to drag this at least 150 feet or more to the truck that was sitting in the dead heat also. I don't think y'all understand how bad this Texas heat is and how sweltering the climate and the humidity is out there, because it's absolutely horrible. I will tell you this, that if the heat doesn't hurt you, it's the amount of work that you have to do will absolutely beat you down being so humid, guys. And I don't think I can explain that to you that great. Well, I'm gonna tell you something, guys. When you're doing a hot tub like this and you know you got in too deep, you don't rush it. You take your time. And that's what I told Tony. I was telling Tony the whole time, just take your time, bro. We're gonna get it done. Just walk. Instead of us speed walking and hurrying up and trying to think, hey, we're gonna get this done in an hour. This was an hour and 30 minutes or an hour and 45 minutes because of the Texas heat. And that's the only reason. We knock these out in 30 minutes, but the heat takes a big time toll on us when we do these hot tubs. Now, I want to tell you that this was actually my third job of the day. I actually left this job and went to go do a garage cleanup for about $150, but this job was not Tony's last job. Tony actually knocked out those 2 jobs that we did together and then knocked out 2 more jobs. So we ended up doing the day total, okay? I ended up doing 4 jobs by myself. Well, 2 by myself and then, 1 by myself and 2 with Tony and then 1 by myself. And then Tony ended up doing 3 jobs. So the total amount of jobs that we had on the schedule were actually 7 jobs for the day, so the whole day. But this job got interesting at the end because even though the hot tub was only $300, the guy gave us $600 for removing some more stuff into the garage. So it was an easy, great payday. This was a successful one. And I got really happy because not only were we doing $300, but we were doing another $300 cleaning out the garage. So now the job came out really good. I hope you enjoyed this video, guys. There it is.
It wasn't for me. That's it, guys. We're done. We're done on the muncha. We're just gonna load that and we are heading out of here. Alright, that's a hot tub removal if you like it. Don't forget, subscribe to the right, left, check out my other videos. I'm out.
Do you dream of making more money with your business or creating a business that doesn't rely on you? You're gonna solve all of these problems and more at JunkCon 22. You're gonna gain something that's gonna make you thousands, hundreds of thousands, or maybe even millions of dollars over the years to come. And as an exclusive deal for fans of Ricardo's content, you're going to be entered into a drawing to win a brand new Sawzall with a full set of Diablo Steel Demon Blades. Click the link in the description to get your tickets now. Y'all are crushing it out there, and Ricardo and myself look forward to seeing you at JunkCon 22.